Hi.
Say, what up, YouTube?
What up, YouTube?
So, we are doing a first club review of a new currency thing. So, hold on, let's get this set up. Boom! We are going to be opening up our first edition of Coin and Currency Club. It's a new currency club I've seen online that gives you currency from around the world. And I do like to coin and collect, so we figured get the son involved today. Sound like a plan? Alright, let's
open it up.
Switch over to here. Comes in a nice cardboard case. Sealed and all. So let's open this up. Open it up.
Yep, that's it.
That's it. Here, back up a little bit.
Can I go over here?
Well, nothing. No, stop. Stand over here. Alright, let's... Here. Careful, careful. It's gonna fall out. Come over here so you can see in the camera. So it comes with what looks like a coin and an actual
dollar.
Yep, some type of paper currency.
I'm gonna show them it.
Ooh, from Singapore.
I'm gonna show them it.
So they give you a $2 of Singapore currency.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty cool. And then, hold on. You look at that while Daddy figures this out. So they give you paper currency. And they also give you...
Look!
some coin. Which is a nice looking coin.
Yep, it is.
And then also they give you this postcard.
And it even gives you this.
Republic of Singapore, capital Singapore. Singapore dollar. Population
Wait a minute.
5,704,000 as of 2019. GDP of 65 million or thousand. That's not, yeah. That's pretty cool. What's this? Pendant country. Let's go to that. So this is everything that comes in the Coin and Currency Club.com box.
.com.
What's this month? Is it March 2021?
Yeah. March 2021.
So yeah, you get a coin, a dollar bill, well, $2 bill, and some information on Singapore.
And even that.
And this comes once a month. I believe it is $11.99. And yeah, so far it's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be a nice little add-on to our collection. We will definitely be doing it again.
Yep.
So that is coinandcurrencyclub.com. We'll have all the information down in the description. What do you got to say to him, Eli? Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to our videos. Bye, YouTube fans.